Y'all heard the gap alarm. Man, you heard the gap alarm. He set the gap alarm off. Yep. I'ma get on his ass, calm down. Hey, wait a minute, I'ma get on. I know I talk, that's what I do. I'ma talk. I'm not ready to do it with him yet. I'm gonna get him though. You just be ready when I say I'm ready.
Right now,
I ain't ready. I don't want nothing. I ain't got, my locker is broke right now, man. My locker broke. When I get the locker fixed, I'ma come contact you.
So you can spend those 1,000
I can't.
On that big.
No.
It's ready for you.
I'm gonna contact you as soon as I get my locker fixed.
And el culito negro.
Culito. That's all you know. Some goddamn culito. That's all he know. Man, let me find who else racing. Got this vet. What that vet wanna do? I'ma give you some of that vet. That's what I'ma do. Yeah, Souk Mike, last name Hawk. You know him? You know him? You don't know him? Souk Mike. Yeah, last name Hawk. Man, you know him, bro. Hey, Souk, you know him? Oh, dang. That thing, that's scary. I don't know how you feel. Damn, that damn thing got a pull on there. Scare me now. Throwing them rocks. Slapped the hell out of my leg. I know I had to get somebody else. Oh, keep it in the line. Truck hustling, man. I wish I could have got. All right, that car right there, it got some chop in, but that. He ain't gonna win. like the way they sound a little bit, but that's it. Hey, dude, this Nissan was on 1320 and it flies. Right now, how much?
I like the 14.
You got the how much? How much?
10.
10. No, I'm talking about in my Caprice.
Oh, nah, man.
Yeah, no, me and you, man. Me and you.
Get back.
Yeah. Come on, bring the scat pack. Hey, it's a good race.
Hey, he's a 5.7.
Oh, I thought you had a 6.4, man. My bad.